Good morning. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning, as we're here now on Wednesday, and we're at the 31st, last trading day of May 2023. All right, as you can see, we're getting a bit of a correction across the board. Even the Nvidia down almost 2% today. We're seeing the metal markets, though, get a pop, even with the dollar slightly higher. So it's an interesting type morning here. Bonds and notes continue to lose, and the word is lose yield. The higher you go in the futures, the more they lose there. Grain markets, ideal growing conditions. Rain in the forecast, warm weather. Normally we're around 75 in Chicago, our average. We're in the high 80s all week long. It's just like summer's advanced itself all of a sudden. Keep your eye on the energies. You know, we keep looking at Chinese numbers for growth, and they're not there. They continue to contract and contract rather dramatically. If you look at some of the workforce, people under the age of 25, 20% unemployment in some areas. So their engine is not running at all. All right, they have done a lot of harm to themselves, and they're seeing it. Plus, then they get the gradual slowdown in other parts of the world, and they're feeling that pressure at this point in time. Bitcoin also down, may end up the month lower, hasn't done that in a while. We're looking at the Aussie dollar getting hit, small rally taking place, and I use the word a small rally in the Japanese yen right now. Now, the economic data today, we have a full slate of it. The debt ceiling bill is going to come to a head in a vote sometime today. I wish I could tell you the time. Nobody's quite certain. It could be late afternoon. It could be evening. Nobody really knows. Will it pass? That's what the market is on jitters about. It's not a shoo-in, that's for sure. The mortgage market headline numbers down in all categories as interest rates soared last month. You saw that. We're waiting on the Chicago ISM Business Barometer. Redbook sales, they're still running right where they've been, anywhere from 1 to 1.5% gain over week to week, year to year. It's all right there. Here's a big number you're going to get this morning around 9 o'clock. It's the JOLTS data. So last month we were looking for these numbers around the 959. The whisper right now is that it'll come in close to the 110 number. So that seems to be what the market is looking for at this point. At 1 o'clock, we get the U.S. Federal Reserve Beige Book. That's going to be very important. API numbers at 3:30, and you got a host of Fed speakers all day long. Now, today being the 31st, my friends, it's the last day of our Memorial Day sale. So you're in your final hours. If you'd like to take advantage, and I strongly urge you to do so, you get either any one of my three charting courses. And they're not free. I charge pretty good for them. It could be the full charting course. The morning, you can get the enhanced Bollinger Band or the outside day course. They're all, I think, phenomenal. And they will certainly open your eyes up to trading ideas. Now, how do you find out more and get all this? Just move your cursor to the top up here. You will see an icon. Give it a click. That'll do it. If you have questions, you can always call my staff. And that's the only way you're going to be able to get to it at this point. I'll send out one more email to those of you that I have in my mailing list. And with that, this sale comes to an end. It's been a pretty good one. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day. I'll see you at the end of the day. Maybe we'll have more to talk about on the vote on the debt ceiling at that point. But the JOLTS number, keep your eye on it. It's going to be an important number today. It sort of sets us up for Friday's jobs report. Take care.